Hey team, Nate here with loanbids.com and your deal of the week. For this week's deal, we're looking at a purchase rehab where our borrower was able to bring minimal cash to close because they were able to finance not only their interest-only payments for the life of the loan, but also the lender fees for this absolutely awesome purchase rehab deal. Something to keep in mind when you're pursuing a rehab of a property is that sometimes for your financing needs, in order for us to get the absolute best loan possible, we will require a certain minimal credit score, which can sometimes be in the 680 or higher range. And we'll need to see some history where you have rehab properties, and we take that experience to the lender and show them that you are an investor who's ready to move forward with their next loan and be able to exit it within the 6 to 12 month period that they give you. For this particular deal, our borrower was pursuing a $170,000 purchase of a single family property, and they were looking to put $52,000 worth of rehab funds into it. They did have a 640 FICO, which did require us to push for an exception through the lender, which they granted, but he also had experience that was outside of their 36-month look-back period. As most lenders do look to see that you have completed a few projects within the last 2 to 3 years, and this individual had just taken some time off, and now he was ready to get back in the saddle. The lender saw his past experience, and they were willing to recognize that and trust that he could execute on this property as well. The final terms that we ended up with after these multiple exceptions was a 90% loan to cost, which meant that he only needed to bring 10% of his total project cost to closing, which was about $26,000. We were able to accomplish that through financing his lender fees as well, which is certainly uncommon, but really helped him with leaving some cash in the bank so that way he could get his project started. And he won't have to make any interest-only payments until the end of his loan, as all of those will be aggregated and added to his payoff. If you're ready to give us a call today, we would be happy to get you a quote and let you know how we can help with your next project.